BMW F900GS rear rack combo. See, the supply parts are, we have a tail rack, and then we have 2 grab handles as well as a steel bracket. We also supply 4 M8 by 20 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts with nylock nuts and washers. And then we have 2 more M8 by 25 millimeter long Allen bolts with washers. And once again, 2 more M8 by 25s with double washers and nylock nuts, as well as 2 M8 by 30 millimeter long Allen bolts plus washers. And we also recommend that you use blue Loctite. So we're going to start by removing the seat. Seat comes off, and then this plastic panel will come off, but you will have to remove it from underneath. You see the bolts. We have a couple of bolts in here that we already took out most of them. These are the OEM bolts, and you will need a T25 Torx bit. Okay, so once that's done, you can lift off the top panel, put it to the side for now. So all the bolts have to come out, and this tail piece will hang. It drops like this. And then grab the bracket, slide it in place. You have to twist it in and then slide it through here, like so, and then together mount them. Yep. All right, you can go ahead and hand thread those bolts in. 2 turns max, that's good enough. Leave this bracket nice and loose, like so. You can go ahead and reattach this plastic tail piece, the fender. All right, we're gonna put some blue Loctite on the bolts. The bolts that go here, we'll use Loctite. The bolts that we're going to put back here, they don't need any Loctite because we're going to be using nylock nuts. Okay, let's go. Left side. Turn that bolt just a couple of times. Okay, so now back here, the M8 by 25. Push it through, and on the back side, washer and nylock nut. A drop of blue Loctite. Turn that a couple of times. Next bolt, M8 by 25, through that rear bracket. And on the back side, you can put in a washer and spin on that nylock nut. All right, now we're going to tighten these bolts now because the plastic panel will have to go on top of them before we put on the tail rack. Next, you can prep your countersunk bolts, washers, and nylock nuts, and also grab the tail rack, put this on top of the grab handles, and then slide the bolts through, all 4 of them.
I'm not sure.
Okay, and 1 more. And then once those bolts are through, you can put the washers in place and the nylock nuts. And slide the plastic panel back on the top, put it in place, like so. So once all the bolts and nuts are tight, you can apply the torque specs. They are all 8 millimeter diameter bolts. The torque spec is 23 Newton meters. And should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortech.com, or you can also call toll-free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.